Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Arch Linux and OpenSUSE Tumbleweed. Arch Linux and OpenSUSE Tumbleweed are both rolling release distributions. Arch Linux is a simple and flexible operating system that lets users build their system from scratch. It follows a rolling release model, meaning it gets updates continuously instead of big version changes. Arch is perfect for people who want to customize their system and don't mind doing everything manually. It has a large collection of software available through its Arch Users Repository or AUR. However, it can be difficult for beginners to set up because it doesn't come with a pre-installed desktop. Overall, Arch is the best for users who want full control over their system. Meanwhile, OpenSUSE Tumbleweed is a rolling release system that is easier to use and comes with more features that are ready to go. It provides a pre-installed desktop environment and useful tools like YaST to help manage the system easily. Tumbleweed always has the latest software and updates, so users get new features regularly. It's a good balance between being easy to use and keep things up to date. OpenSUSE has a good support and documentation, making it easier for beginners. Tumbleweed is great for people who want an up-to-date system without a lot of setup work. In my opinion, Arch Linux is best for customization, while OpenSUSE Tumbleweed is better for ease of use. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.